What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, I would like to share on how to manually test the emergency generator load testing, the actual load testing guys of the emergency generator. So this PMS has to be done in every 3 months maintenance guys. This is very important just to ensure that our emergency generator is in good operational condition. So as you can see guys, this is the main switchboard and the emergency generator side. In normal operation, the main switchboard is supplying power to the emergency switchboard consumers, in which there is a automatic transfer switch. In case of failure of our main generator, our emergency generator will automatically start and connect to the bus bar and supplying power to our emergency equipments for our essentials. So as you can see guys, this is the procedure, and inside as you can see there is a breaker for the main switchboard and emergency switchboard, and there is a button there inside. So the position now is in main switchboard. So first of all guys, at this moment we will warm up the engine guys without load, just to warm the engine for few minutes before connecting to before load test guys. So as you can see, I just put the engine control into manual and I press the engine start. Now the engine is starting. As you can see, there is a hertz and the voltage of the generator guys. So after a few minutes guys, when we warm up the engine, that's the time that we will load test. So it's enough for warming the engine guys. As you can see, now the engine is already stopped. So these are the emergency switchboard, and as you can see that ACB close is coming from the main switchboard guys. At this time still main switchboard. Just a few minutes we will wait for the ready to start. As you can see, now it's already ready to start, and now our emergency generator, we have to set it in automatic guys. And there is the third option is test. That means that test is for load testing guys. So very important reminders before carrying out the load test is to switch off some navigational equipments there at the navigational bridge, the radar, and many other equipments there that we need to switch it off to avoid any problems guys. So we are ready now. As you can see guys, I will press the option. I will pull the knob and a few seconds. Timer is 0 seconds guys. As you can see, it's already started. The engine is started, and we will wait for the engine will connect. And as you can see guys, now the engine is on the line and it's connecting to the bus bar, and there is kilowatt there and supplying now to the emergency consumers the emergency equipment is being supplied now by our emergency generator. So as you can see, there is a kilowatt reading there. If you want to add more power, then we can start any of those emergency consumers, guys. As you can see, guys, that is already reading of 20 kilowatt, and now it's emergency generator power supply. So we have to, this generator is working properly, guys. This is in good operational conditions. So this is test. After few minutes, guys, of load test, then we will put back to normal. So in this situation, guys, in this kind of emergency generator, the ETS or the auto transfer switch is not for automatic when main switchboard has to supply. So manually we need to disconnect the emergency generator. As you can see, it's manual, then push the stop button so that the emergency generator will stop. Then after that, we need to push the main switchboard breaker. As you can see, guys, it's already pushed main switchboard, so that the main switchboard again will come in and supply to the emergency consumers. Now it's ECB closed and it's already, as you can see, guys, now the supply is switch it back to the main switchboard. So this is how it is, guys. The auto transfer switch is for automatically when emergency generator has to come. This is different arrangement, different design, guys, which we normally encounter from other ship. So now it's put back to normal, and this is now on main switchboard. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something about this video, guys. If you're interested for marine engineering videos, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.